Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that all of us consume every single day, but most people don't realize how dangerous it can be. What if I told you that the food you eat every day is slowly harming your body? What if your daily tea, biscuits, soft drinks, and snacks are silently damaging your heart, liver, and blood sugar levels? Yes, I'm talking about sugar. Sugar is everywhere in our daily food, and too much sugar can seriously affect your health. In this video, we will talk about what sugar really is, hidden sugar in everyday foods, health problems caused by sugar, and how you can reduce sugar and live healthier. So watch this video until the end, because it might change the way you eat forever. Let's start with a simple question. What is sugar? Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that gives energy to the body. There are two types of sugar. First one is natural sugar, and second one is added sugar. Natural sugar is found in fruits, vegetables, and milk. This type of sugar is generally safe because it comes with fiber, vitamins, and nutrients. But the real problem is added sugar. Added sugar is found in soft drinks, biscuits, cakes, chocolates, packaged juices, fast food, and even bread. This type of sugar gives calories but no nutrients. That means you are eating energy without health benefits. And when you eat too much of it every day, it slowly harms your body. Now, let's talk about something shocking. Many people think sugar is only in sweets, but the truth is, sugar is hidden in many everyday foods. Let's look at some examples. Soft drinks. One bottle of soft drink contains around 8 to 10 teaspoons of sugar. That is a huge amount. Drinking one soft drink daily can increase your risk of diabetes and weight gain. Packaged juice. Many people think packaged juice is healthy, but most packaged juices contain added sugar. Sometimes even more than soft drinks, so it is better to drink fresh juice or eat fruits. Biscuits and cakes. Biscuits and cakes are very common snacks, but they contain high sugar and unhealthy fats. Eating them daily can increase body fat and cholesterol. Tea and coffee. Many people drink tea or coffee with sugar several times a day. For example, 3 cups of tea with 2 teaspoons sugar each equals 6 teaspoons sugar daily. That becomes a large amount over time. Bread and yogurt. Even bread and flavored yogurt contain hidden sugar. This is why reading food labels is very important. So the biggest danger is not sweets alone. The biggest danger is hidden sugar in daily foods. Now, let's talk about the most important part. What happens when you consume too much sugar? 1. Diabetes. Too much sugar increases blood sugar levels. Over time, the body cannot control insulin properly. This leads to diabetes. Diabetes can damage kidneys, eyes, nerves, heart. That is why sugar is considered dangerous in large amounts. 2. Weight gain. Sugar contains high calories. When you eat too much sugar, the body stores it as fat. This leads to belly fat, obesity, low energy. And obesity increases many health risks. 3. Heart disease. Too much sugar increases cholesterol and blood pressure. This affects heart health. Over time, it increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. So sugar not only affects weight, but also the heart. 4. Fatty liver. Excess sugar is stored in the liver as fat. This causes fatty liver disease. Fatty liver can lead to serious health problems if not controlled. 5. Tooth decay. Sugar feeds bacteria in the mouth. This causes cavities and tooth damage. That is why dentists always advise reducing sugar. Now the good news. You don't need to completely stop sugar. You just need to reduce it. Here are some simple tips. Tip 1. Drink water instead of soft drinks. Replace soda with water or fresh juice. This simple change can improve health. Tip 2. Reduce sugar in tea and coffee. Try reducing sugar slowly. For example, 2 spoons, 1 spoon, half spoon. Your body will adjust. Tip 3. Eat fruits instead of sweets. Fruits give natural sugar and vitamins. This is a healthy alternative. Tip 4. Avoid junk food. Fast food and packaged snacks contain hidden sugar. Try home-cooked food instead. Tip 5. Read food labels. Check sugar levels before buying food. Choose low-sugar options. So, the main message of this video is simple. Sugar is not completely bad, but too much sugar is dangerous. Small daily habits can protect your health. Drink more water, eat healthy food, reduce sugar slowly, and take care of your body, because your health is your real wealth. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay safe.